we are the Golgi apparatus, and I hope everyone's doing okay today. Just a little bit of a background information. Our job is to process and package proteins and lipids, and without us, you would lose your DNA because DNA is composed of those proteins. A lot of other organelles, such as you guys, also need those proteins in order to function properly.
So lysosomes have been talking some trash, saying that we're just a shipping company for protein. But lysosomes, we actually create you. We fuse the vesicles that have budded from our trans Golgi. So without us creating you, then the functions that you provide normally would not be able to be completed. The cell would not be able to digest or break down the materials left over from protein creation and lead to buildup within the cell that could start to kill the cell.
Also, we as the Golgi apparatus will promise to work well with others. For example, we actually work very well with the ER because when a protein is made, then a transition vesicle is made and that vesicle floats through the cytoplasm right to us. Then they are further processed and sorted for transport to their eventual destination. We will give these newly processed and sorted proteins to either lysosomes, the plasma membrane, or secretion. So if you vote for us, then you will be voting for an organelle that works well with others and actually helps and sorts our proteins out for the better.
Now we've noticed that other organelles have been bashing us for the fact that we contribute in a large part to Alzheimer's disease. Although this may be true, we have been receiving help from outside the community, and they have found that the problem is plaques that kill cells in Alzheimer's patients' brains and trigger our fragmentation by activating an enzyme that modifies our structural proteins. The community has helped us to find ways to fix this by either inhibiting that enzyme or expressing a mutant of a protein that cannot be modified by that enzyme, which would help us to fight against Alzheimer's. All in all, we have our flaws, but the Golgi apparatus will help find a way to fix it all. Just like how we are working to decrease the probability of Alzheimer's disease and any other problems we may have.
Altogether, the Golgi apparatus is here to package and ship your important proteins, work with other organelles, and help find ways to better ourselves. Thank you for listening. Vote for the Golgi apparatus.
So vote for the Golgi apparatus as the chief organelle of the cell. Bye!